Okay, today's book is Rainy Day Slug by Mary Palenick Colborn. One rainy day, a slug left its garden for a walk in the wide, wide world. There he is. Looks like he has strawberries in his garden. Some beautiful flowers, but it's raining. Slugs love coming out when it's raining. It went scrass, scrass, scrass through the tall green grass. Do you hear the rhyming words? Scrass, grass. Keep listening, there are more rhyming words in this book. And there's the slug off on his journey. Scuttle, scuttle, scuttle in a deep rain puddle. Scuttle, puddle. Look at him swimming. I see his eyeball and part of his body. He's going for a swim. Splash, 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 up the wet window sash. Splash, sash. Do you hear the rhyming words? And there he goes, up the window. Scrack, 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 into a tiny hidden crack. There he goes inside the window. Scrack, crack. I heard the rhyming words. Scrape, 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 down the long pink drape. Scrape, drape. I hear the rhyming words, and there he goes. Down, down, down. He looks a little worried. Might be a long way down. Scrug, 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 over the soft blue rug. Oh, look at, he's leaving a slime trail. There he goes. Scrug, rug. Snore, 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 around the wide open door. Who do you think is snoring over there? Maybe a kitty sleeping in the basket. He's gonna go quietly around the kitty. Don't wake the kitty. Sidle, 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 across the cold white tile. Sidle, tile. Look at all that slime he's leaving. That's a long slime trail. Sable, 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 under a small oak table. There he is. I think he's hiding. Slime, 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 by old Father Time. Oh, over the clock. He's leaving his slime trail. There he goes. Slime time. Do you hear the rhyming words? Sled, 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 above the warm, cozy bed. Oh my goodness. He's going on a ride on that airplane. Oh, don't wake the child. Shh. Sneak, 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 against a clean, sweet cheek. Oh no, he left a slime trail on the little boy. Oh no, that's so silly, that silly slug. Ay! Scurry, 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 out in a hurry. Uh-oh, I think he woke the little boy and scared him. And the slug says, hurry, hurry, get out. For a slug on a walk, one rainy day. Whew! There he goes out the window, back to his garden. Whew, that was a close one. The end. Rainy Day Slug. Bye, guys.